After the age of 40, most people lose 3 to 8% of their muscle mass every single decade. By 60, this silent condition, called sarcopenia, can steal your strength, slow your metabolism, and even raise your risk of falls and fractures. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept muscle loss as an inevitable part of aging. Science shows that certain foods can actually switch muscle growth back on, naturally. In today's video, we'll dive into the 5 powerhouse foods that fight sarcopenia and rebuild muscle, even if you're over 60. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to use your diet as a weapon against muscle decline. When it comes to rebuilding muscle and protecting your strength as you age, nothing is more powerful than protein. Think of protein as the raw material your body uses to repair, restore, and grow new muscle fibers. Every time you walk, lift, or even rise from a chair, those movements place stress on your muscles. Without enough protein in your diet, your body simply doesn't have the fuel to recover, and over time, that leads to weakness, fatigue, and muscle loss. But here's the exciting part. The right protein-rich foods can flip your body's muscle-building switch back on even after 60. Foods like salmon, chicken, Greek yogurt, or even lentils deliver a special amino acid called leucine, nature's signal to your muscles that it's time to grow stronger. The trick isn't just eating protein, but eating it consistently throughout the day. Research shows that 20 to 30 grams per meal gives your muscles the best chance to repair and rebuild. Imagine starting your morning with 2 eggs and yogurt, enjoying grilled chicken at lunch, and ending your day with salmon and vegetables. Small changes like these can bring back energy, improve balance, and even restore independence. When it comes to protecting your muscles from the silent damage of aging, omega-3 fatty acids are one of the most overlooked yet powerful nutrients you can add to your diet. These healthy fats, found in salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds, are like a protective shield for your muscles. As we age, low-grade inflammation slowly chips away at muscle fibers, making it harder to stay strong and recover after activity. Omega-3s fight back by calming inflammation and improving the way your body uses protein to build new muscle tissue. Think of them as the oil that keeps your body's engine running smoothly. Without them, your muscles wear down faster. Studies show that older adults who include omega-3s in their diets actually experience better muscle function and recovery, even without intense exercise. The best part? Adding them is simple. 2 servings of fatty fish each week, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed in your oatmeal, or a handful of walnuts as a snack can make a noticeable difference. One viewer shared with me that after introducing salmon into her weekly meals, she felt less soreness after walks and more energy to play with her grandkids. That's the quiet but powerful impact of omega-3 SE builder, and omega-3s are the protector. Then magnesium is the quiet force that keeps your muscles working the way they should. This essential mineral, found in spinach, almonds, beans, and pumpkin seeds, is involved in more than 300 reactions in the body, many of which directly affect muscle health. Every time your muscles contract to help you lift a bag of groceries or relax so you can fall asleep peacefully, magnesium is playing its part. Without enough of it, muscles become stiff, recovery slows down, and fatigue sets in faster than it should. What makes magnesium even more vital is its connection to muscle preservation as we age. Research shows that older adults with higher magnesium levels maintain greater muscle mass and perform daily activities more easily compared to those who are deficient. The great news is that restoring your magnesium levels doesn't require complicated changes. A handful of almonds in the afternoon, a serving of beans with dinner, or sprinkling pumpkin seeds on your salad can make a remarkable difference. I once heard from a man in his 60 seconds who simply added spinach to his morning omelet, and within weeks he felt fewer cramps and more energy for his daily walks. When it comes to building lasting strength, vitamin D and calcium work like a perfectly matched team. One simply cannot do its job without the other. Calcium is the mineral that hardens your bones and supports muscle contractions, but without vitamin D, your body can't properly absorb it. As we get older, this partnership becomes even more important because our skin naturally produces less vitamin D from sunlight, and our bones start losing calcium faster than they can replace it. The result? Weakness, brittle bones, and muscles that don't fire the way they should. The good news is that restoring this synergy is simple and life-changing. Dairy foods, fortified plant milks, eggs, and safe sun exposure provide what your body craves. Even just 15 minutes of sunlight on your arms and face a few times a week can help your body make the vitamin D it needs. I once heard from a grandfather who started drinking fortified almond milk daily and taking short morning walks in the sun. Within months, he went from struggling to get out of a chair to running around the yard with his grandkids again. That's the incredible power of fueling your body with vitamin D and calcium together. If you want to give your muscles an extra edge in fighting aging, polyphenols are your secret weapon. These natural compounds found in berries, green tea, and even dark chocolate act like powerful defenders inside your body. Over time, your muscles are exposed to something called oxidative stress, tiny bits of damage caused by free radicals that slowly wear down cells and make recovery harder. Polyphenols sweep in like a cleanup crew, neutralizing that damage and creating an environment where your muscles can thrive. What's exciting is that studies show older adults who eat more polyphenol-rich foods actually maintain better grip strength, endurance, and overall vitality. The best part? They're delicious and easy to enjoy. A handful of blueberries with breakfast, a warm cup of green tea in the afternoon, or a small square of dark chocolate after dinner can all make a real difference. I remember one woman in her 70s who added green tea to her daily routine. She told me she felt sharper mentally and more energetic during her walks, as if her body had been given a second wind. That's the beauty of polyphenols. They protect, they energize,